Hello. So these Apple Mac Pro transformers sometimes are a bit of a hassle to deal with. So I want to show you a method that will make it a little easier and a little more compact and safer. So instead of buying a plastic bowl-like device from quirky.com or some other fancy device, or doing any kind of modifications with rubber bands or with Velcro or anything like that, consider this simple method. Take your transformer, start a loop going away from the far end so it doesn't put too much pressure on it, and make yourself a little loop here on the face of it. Yeah, just like that. Make a loop on the face of it. And from there, just start, bring it across here and start going around. Catch it. Start going around. Simple as that. Keep a fair amount of tension, and you see I'm sort of squeezing that loop on the face of it so it doesn't slide away. And at a certain point you're going to want to flip up these guys. You could have done it before. This is only the third time I've done this. I just sort of came up with this today. So here it is, like so. Right? Then start this loop here around the Macintosh transformer thing. And when you get over by the plug, just make a loop around the end of it. That's all. Just a loop around the end of it, see? Make a loop around the end of it and get back into it. Well, I've started off in a different direction, so it's not quite as neat as it could be. Because the last time I did it, this was easier because the plug was out in the other direction. It was really easy to get around. But in any case, you basically just go around it and then just clip it on as usual. You just clip that little thing on the power cord of the, that holds it into place, and basically you have a neat little package with all of it together. Can even be neater than that. You can figure out different ways. The last time I had this going around the other direction, and it was flatter. In any case, can't beat it. It doesn't cost any money, and you don't have to carry around plastic bowls unless you want to eat cereal out of it or something like that. But this way you don't stress out your transformer or any of your cables, and it stays pretty neat. Good. Have fun.